guys, welcome to my channel Modern Tech. Today I am going to do the unboxing of Xmate branded trimmer. So let's go.
पैकेज आई हैव ऑलरेडी ओपन द बॉक्स। चेक करने के लिए मुझे खोलना पड़ा, तो चलिए देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या मिलता है। सो हियर इज़ द बॉक्स ऑफ ट्रिमर which is Xmate branded and it supports fast charging and 0.6 mm precision. So look at the back of the box. Here given specifications is there. Battery is 5 mAh Leon rechargeable battery, and work time, charging time, and charger we use of 1 ampere to charge this trimmer, and we also get a charging 1 meter micro USB cable. And here is the stainless steel blade. And the product features: we get 2 adjustable positioning comb and high density lithium battery, improves power and runtime, and 1 micro USB charging port, fast charge USB builder. And here is a good thing that we can adjust the position of the comb by 1 to 10 mm and then 11 to 20 mm. And we have also cleaning brush and oil for blades and charging cable. And box also have a instruction manual. Here is the box, which is looking nice. I like the box, and you see the specifications in the front of the box. So look at the product inside the box. So this is the product. One side trimmer is contained, another side two combs. We can use these combs according to size of our hair or beard, and one brush, one cleaning brush, and one solution oil, oil or a solution for blades. And the last product is that this trimmer. So this is the trimmer, and we can also adjust the size of the or position of the comb by rotating it. And you can see that we can adjust its size from 1 to 10 and then 11 to 20 mm. So, and I have also tried this trimmer. Its precision is so good. I even don't know this brand, but now I know this brand. This is cool, amazing brand. So this is all. So thank you. If you like this product or like this video, like, subscribe and share. And if you want this product, to buy this product, I will give the link in the description box. Thank you. So guys, for me to be working, you have to on this button, and then it starts working. You can see that, and you can trim your beard or hair. And I buy this product from Amazon at the sale, and I got this at 700 rupees price point, but on the box it is given MRP is 1500. You got this around 700 on Amazon. You can check there. I will give the link in the description box.